Ga vandoor. What is this protest about?
In Syria, in Turkey, in Kurdish, in protest,
What this protest is all
My
about?
name is Saleh. This organization.
Sani.
Saleh.
Saleh.
Ja, dit
Like Mo Saleh.
Saleh, ja.
Koerden en andere minderheden daarin worden vastgelegd, kan er vrede en veiligheid zijn. Daarom eisen wij een officiële status voor Rojava. Die status moet worden vastgelegd in een democratische grondwet, gemaakt met brede steun van de samenleving. Om nieuwe aanvallen te voorkomen is een internationale waarnemingsmissie nodig. Ook moet er een beschermingszone komen om Rojava te beveiligen. Islamitische groepen hebben de afgelopen weken zware misdaden gepleegd. Zij vielen burgers en strijders van de SDF aan. Van meer dan 2000 mensen is niets meer bekend. Deze jihadisten denken en handelen zoals IS. Met zulke groepen is een nieuw en democratisch Syrië onmogelijk. Daarom zijn nu directe maatregelen nodig om Koerden en Rojava te beschermen. De Rojava-revolutie werd wereldwijd bekend als een vrouwenrevolutie. Vrouwen speelden een hoofdrol in de strijd tegen IS, vooral binnen de IS. Maar we mogen verder dan alleen de strijd.
Hallo. Jij bent vrijwilliger voor dit protest?
Ja.
Kan je spreken met mij op de video?
Ja.
Ik heb een nieuw YouTube channel. Misschien dit is voor Koerdisch mensen?
Beetje
English. Oh, that's good.
Nee, beetje Engels.
Beetje English, beetje Nederlands.
Ja.
Maakt niet uit.
Ja.
No problem.
Ja.
Are you okay to talk to me on the camera about this protest?
Ja.
And you are the volunteer for this, or you are one of the volunteers of the protest, or you belong to the community who is also part of the protest? Okay, so you are okay with, can you, okay, what's your name and can you tell me what this protest is about?
Nee.
Okay, ik wil gaan in simple Engels. Ik geef jouw naam. What is your name?
Zeliha. Zeliha.
Zeliha.
Ja.
Oké, ik ben Sohail. Een momentje. We hebben een beetje beter light angle. So, jouw naam is Zeliha
Ja.
en jij van ook Kurdistan?
Ja, Kurdistan.
Okay, and what is this protest
In
about?
Syria, in Turkey, in
Yeah.
Kurdish,
Yeah.
in protest,
Hoe zeg je, like oorlog or for freedom of Kurdish people?
ja.
Maar what is Rojava?
Rojava in Kurdish people, yani,
Is a city?
Yeah.
Is a stad?
yeah.
In Kurdistan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kurdistan, yeah, Rojava.
So that is border of Syria and Iraq? Or alleen Syria?
Syria, Iran, in Turkey, in Iraq.
Ah, Syria, Iran, Turkije en Irak.
Ja.
Alles vier land.
Syria. Voor mijn eigen veiligheid moet ik gaan.
You have to go.
Ja.
Okay.
Ja,
Dankjewel.
fijne dag.
Succes met jouw movement. Ja? Dank je. They even have flags. Though the flags look all over the place right now for me, they show internally they mean something within the community to different groups that are part of this protest. Ahora. Ben hiç onu görmedim. Bana Hallo. Can you speak met mij? Kan je uitleg?
Ja?
Op video? Kan je uitleg wat is de protest onze over?
Koerdistan.
Over Koerdistan.
Ja.
Maar het is voor vrijheid voor Koerdisch mensen.
Staat oorlog in Koerdistan.
Staat?
Oorlog.
Oorlog. Ah, oké. Stop the war by Syria and Kurdistan. Okay. But so this protest is for freedom van Syria for Kurdish mensen.
Ja.
Top. Succes. Dank je. This seems like a protest of there's a protest here by Kurdish people or Kurdish community talking about the oppression and the injustice they face, and for the first time I heard of a place called Rojava, and they are chanting slogans free free Rojava to the same tune of free free Palestine. And so it's kind of that kind of stopped me on my tracks while I was on the way to the market today. And this whole idiom or grammar of very nicely repurposing an existing slogan for your own protest movement as well. So I found it very interesting and very nice as well. It's quite effective. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Welcome.
This is demonstration for the.
Yeah, can I have you on camera?
Yeah, no
Okay.
problem.
Can you introduce yourself? What's your name and what this protest is all
My
about?
name is Salih. It is the organization.
Sani.
Salih.
Saleh.
Yeah. this
Like
is-
Mo Saleh.
Salih. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
Arabic
okay.
stuff.
Yeah, I know Arabic. But Saleh.
Yes, Salih.
Okay.
Yeah. This demonstration established by the Kurdish people and other minorities from Turkey, in Middle East, and Syria.
Okay.
This demonstration is about the situation in Syria. Maybe
Okay.
you know what.
Okay.
Maybe you know that the new interim Syrian president, but he is also terrorist leader from Al Qaeda.
Right.
The code name is Jolani.
Jolani, yeah.
But now he says Ahmed Al Shara.
Okay. He
Yeah.
calls himself Ahmad Al
Yeah,
Shara.
he wear a jacket. He says no, it was my oath before I was a terrorist, but now I am a president.
Okay.
And now he attacks all the Kurds region and other minorities in Syria.
Yeah.
Like Jews, like Christians, like Kurdish.
Yeah.
And they killed too many people in the Syria, children, women, and many other people. So we
Before he came to power. Like,
yeah,
before he became the president.
power at the Turkey and also some European countries also give too much money to give
recognize him, yeah.
new country.
Okay.
And so we demonstration this. We don't want to European countries help this or jihadist organizations because it comes with the weapons to Europe
Right.
and for all people. The peace is not about the only.
What is the European status about Syria right now? Do they recognize him? As
Yeah,
the
he
president?
recognized.
They recognize him legally, formally,
Yeah,
diplomatically.
at the first month, they recognized the new interim president, but he's for us he is a terrorist.
Okay.
And,
Of course. Yeah.
yeah, and also the United States decided to help this man because they want to establish a new system in
In
Middle
yeah.
East.
Yeah.
These pictures are absolutely reverberating across the Middle East right now. President Trump just meeting Syrian jihadist turned president Ahmed al-Sharaf. Not 6 months ago, he had a $10 million bounty on his head. So what's changed? Well, he was previously known as Abu Mohammed al-Jalani, former al-Qaeda member. Late last year, he led the overthrow of the former President Bashar al-Assad. He then became the new Syrian president, changing from military garb to suits. In December, the US removed that long-standing bounty. He's been meeting with leaders over recent months to try and reflect a more inclusive and friendlier Syria. But the president of the United States is really entering a new league at this point. Trump announced plans that he's going to lift sanctions on Syria. And
Yeah, so I think the other European countries want to help USA.
Right.
Yeah, but the Kurdish people and other minorities in this region, we don't accept this.
Of
Yeah,
course.
the main problem is that
Okay.
Europe will give them to financier these organizations,
Right.
but they don't recognize the Kurdish state in Syria.
Okay.
Yeah, we try to recognize, we try to make a pressure on the European
Politician. Yeah.
politician for recognize, and we would like to have a status in Syria.
Okay. So this protest is about calling for freedom of the Kurdish people.
Yes, and not only for Kurdish, and also for other minorities in Syria.
Like which other
Not
minorities? are-
Druze, maybe
Druze,
Druze,
yeah.
Alevites, and the other
Alevites?
religions. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And can you tell me a little bit about the flags? I see like 4 or 5 flags.
Maybe in the Kurdish land divided by the Syria, Iraq, Turkey, and Iran.
Yeah.
About after First World War, the agreement between European countries and Iraq, Syria, and Turkey. There's a cycle
Okay.
agreement. By this agreement on our land divided 4 pieces.
4 regions. Okay.
And one piece in Syria, one piece in Iraq, one piece in Turkey, and the other piece is in Iraq.
Yeah.
So these flags,
Yeah. Which one is that YPG flag? The yellow one or the green?
the green one is for YPG, that is the women forces.
Women's forces of
And-
YPG. Okay.
Yeah, and the other one is for
The men forces.
man forces. Yeah.
So those are the triangle flags, the yellow triangle and the green triangle flags.
Yeah.
And then the 3 color flags of yellow, red,
the
green.
flags from Kurdistan is generally I would like to show you it is red, white, and green, and the middle of there is a sun.
Yeah. Okay.
That is a general Kurdish
That is a
flags.
general Kurdish flag.
But it is also every piece is for Kurdistan. Some use the other
Different
flags.
flags also.
For example, this flag is for Rojava.
Yellow,
Kurdish
red,
in-
yellow, red, and green.
Yeah, this one is flags from Rojava. Rojava is Kurdistan in Syria.
Okay.
Yeah, there are so many groups.
Groups within that
With the
from the
different
same
flags,
region.
yeah.
Yeah. I knew about the Syria and Kurdish, like you know,
I just want
the
to-
troubles there,
Yeah.
and I know about the Kurdish situation, but I had not heard about Rojava.
Rojava
So I thought like,
means,
okay, what it is?
South Kurdistan.
South Kurdistan.
It's the piece in Turkey. We say North Kurdistan. No, we say the West Kurdistan.
Right.
Rojava is West Kurdistan, and the piece in Iraq is South Kurdistan, and the piece in Iran is, we say Rojava, but it is the East Kurdistan.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, Mr. Saleh.
Thank you so much.
Nice speaking to you, and thanks for your explanation. I wish you guys all the success and freedom from all the oppression for all the oppressed communities,
Thanks
like
so much.
always.
Thanks so much for your interest.
We are always fighting for freedom, peace, and freedom from oppression for
Yeah,
everyone.
but the freedom is for
So,
all world, not
right,
only
for
one.
everyone. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, thank you.
So I also thought, let me take part, walk a few steps with you guys along with the community. I was actually on my bike going somewhere else, and then I saw the protest at Kraus Plain.
Yeah.
So I thought, all right, I need to find out what this is about. So thanks for your nice explanation,
Thanks so much.
and I wish you all the success and peace, and I hope to see you around.
You are welcome.
All right.
Do you have a channel of
Yeah, my channel name is Dutch Most.
Dutch?
Dutch Most.
Dutch most.
Dutch
Yeah,
as in
yeah,
Dutch
yeah.
and most, so like
Okay,
English,
I will-
English utmost, but Dutch most. It's a new channel.
Okay.
I've just started, and I try to cover
I will
things
try to
within the
summarize
event. I'll try to post this within a day or two.
Okay, thanks so
All
much.
right.
See you.
Thanks so much.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao. Bye.
Ciao.
So that was the explanation of the protest. Very nice. So it's a big protest going all the way through the centrum areas, and as the gentleman explained, it's all about freedom from oppression. Multiple minority groups within the Kurdistan region are part of the protest, and they are asking for freedom, peace, justice. I hope not just the Kurdish people here and not just all the minority communities that were part of this protest, but people and tribes and cultures who have been oppressed anywhere in the world. I hope they find the peace, justice and freedom that all human beings deserve, that we all deserve.